Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am talking about integers, strings, and floats. So basically, yeah, I'm talking about those. Let's start with integers. So the integers are whole numbers like 1, 8, 9, 10, and even negative numbers like negative 2, negative 500, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these numbers are all integers. Just like you have integers in math, like those in programming, okay? So let's define some integers. Let's say a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 0. Now let's add them. Plus b. What do you think the answer is going to be? And it's going to give you about 3 seconds to do it. 3, 2, 1. And you're right, the answer is 9. Okay, now let's try something a bit more difficult. 67. Let me just ready. 67 plus minus. What number should I put? I'll do 60. I'll do 60. What do you think the answer is gonna be? And you're right, it's 7. Okay, now let's move on to floats. So a float is a number with a decimal point, like 0.5 or 89.67, and you can even have negative floats like negative 69.45. These are all floats. These are all floats. Now you can do the same thing with floats. Just ignore that. Okay, let's do string. Okay, I'll do 67.45 plus 67.00. Now this is the same as 67.45 plus 67. Okay, enter 134.5. Okay. Now let's try doing it with a negative number this time. And I'll do 45.67 plus negative 89.39. Okay, what's going to be the answer? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to do it. 3, 2, 1. And you're right, negative 43.2. Okay, now what would happen if we put all of them minus? Okay, 67 negative 99.000 plus minus 67.66. Now and negative 166.66. Okay, now let's talk about strings. So strings are letters it's not necessarily letters, but within quotes. Remember quotes from my last lesson? Anything. A string is something that's inside you. Like this is a string. Okay? And you can even write string with double quotes. Like this. And you can write it with triple quotes as well. This is what you would call a multi-line string. So yeah, this is what you would call a multi-line string. So you can write it in multiple lines, like this. Hello. I'm going to show you in my next lesson how to properly use multi-line strings. But now let's try adding strings. Let's say H is equal to hello, and Q is equal to world. Okay. Now let's add them up. That's H plus Q. Now what do you think the answer is going to be? Okay, now let's find out what the answer is. Hello world. Okay. Now you see these are joined together, hello and world. There is no space between them. So you can fix that by doing this. You can add a space on hello. Okay, that's not working. Okay, now H is equal to hello. Just forgot to make it into a string. And you add a space, Q is equal to world. Alright. Now H plus Q. Enter. There now you see there is a space. There is another way to concatenate a string. This is called concatenating a string. I'm going to show you that in my next lesson. Okay, but there is something you would have to know. With integers and floats, it adds the numbers. Like let's say, 45 plus 45. 90, right? But if you convert these into a string, it shows something different. It doesn't add up to 90. Now I'm going to make these into a string with value 45 plus 40. The answer is going to be 4545. It doesn't actually add them up like you add things up in math, like 1 plus 1. It adds them up like you say, like you say hello in world. It adds them up. That's how it adds the strings up. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe.